Today we are reviewing the Opencode version 2 Opencode beta, the desktop app specifically. I have only used the desktop app. I'm not like a terminal UI guy. But the desktop app is very pretty. It's very beautiful and it does everything that Codex does. Codex is my go-to till now, but there's most of the things that Codex has, even though some things are missing. The cheap tokens and free tokens and everything else is very convincing to stay here. So yeah, I've been using this a lot for the past few days and it's very good. And one thing I noticed is it is like the most beautiful desktop app coding agents, other than maybe Codex, but I don't think even Codex compares to this. This has good UI, but the UX is not there as much as Codex, and this has some things that they can improve on, but this is still beta. They will probably improve on that. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is the Opencode beta app. So here we have the homepage, and this is not sidebar. This is the first thing that I'm not seeing without a sidebar. This has like top tab bars, which is pretty nice. I usually work with one or just two coding sessions, so I don't mind it. It is very good, and I like the extra space that I have horizontally in my Mac, so that's good. I like it, but I think I do think they are working on like a sidebar version, but for now this is just a top bar, which is all right. And here we have the actual coding part. So if I create a new session over here, we can see everything that is available for us. I usually use the plan mode to create a plan and then work on it, and the model selector and the thinking variant here. One thing that I will improve is the so when I'm typing here, it doesn't feel like, this is um, ready to be sent, or this looks very um, grayed out. So maybe that's the only complaint I have, because it's so the UX issues like this. Sometimes it just stops, and I have to hit continue. To continue it, I have to send a message called continue. But in Codex, it has like a play button here, which it can automatically continue. So certain small UX improvements like this would make this app way better. And this doesn't have computer use or browser use, but I found like a skill app called Interceptor iOS, Interceptor Mac OS, Interceptor browser, and research. So whenever I wanted to control my Mac OS, I'll just call this, or whenever I wanted to control my Safari or Chrome, I'll just call this, and it works beautifully. So um, uh, that's what made me switch to this open code instead of Codex, because I've been using Codex for a long time, and this is the first time I changed it, and it works. Everything worked, and this free tokens was like the best part of that. And this has like lots of context information, which I mostly don't use, but it has everything, which is good. And the git changes review is also very good. I um, i see all the changes here. Some more um, UX improvements is I want the ability to right click here. I want the ability to just edit text here, and small one things like that, which will make this better, and it will make me stay in this app itself. So yeah, that's it for this review. I have used this a lot, and I am going to use this a lot, and it is a very good app. And yeah, especially with the cheap open code Go plan that I have. So I will be probably using this a lot more. And yeah, if something changes, if I find a new workflow, probably create a new video for that, how I create sessions and how I use projects in it. So I'll probably create a new video for that. But yeah, my review is, it's very beautiful. It's very um, it lacks certain UX, but UI is very good. The models, the actual backend of it is very good, but as I said, it needs better UX and it needs a native computer use and browser use, and it will be like perfect 10 out of 10. And I don't think I will even use Codex after that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.